Technology works best when it solves real problems. For us at Asana, that means using our tools to make work a better experience for our customers and our internal teams. Our in-house culinary team had been getting a lot of requests for nutritional information. They wanted to help, but there was no way they could calculate all of those nutritional facts by hand. We had to find a better way. First, we worked with the culinary team to standardize recipe tracking in Asana. Then we developed an AI Studio workflow that automatically analyzes ingredients and quantities and generates accurate nutritional information. The best part? Asana employees can now scan a simple QR code to get the info they need to make healthier food choices. And our culinary team can stick to what they love, making delicious and nutritious food. Learn more about AI Studio at asana.com.